Hey fellow travelers, we made it to Nassau, Bahamas. Come spend a day with us as we skip the excursion and instead spend our day at Junkanoo Beach and discovering our new favorite lunch spot. If you're heading to this port and want to skip an excursion, or if you've been curious about finding a local beach walking distance from the cruise port, stay tuned. If we haven't met yet, we are into Paradise We Travel. We're just a couple of empty nesters living our best life, sharing our travels in hopes you can make amazing travel memories too. When you arrive, you'll head straight through the port towards the exit. This port has gone through pretty recent renovations, so if you wanted to stay near the ship, this port has lots of shopping and some great restaurants. But if you're like us and want to head out to the straw market or to the beach, just keep walking through the port. Once you exit, you'll head right and keep going down. From here, the straw market is on your left. In order to get to Junkanoo Beach, you can grab a taxi or you can walk. It's about a 15 to 20 minute walk. To walk there, you'll go past the straw market. This was a great landmark for us to use. You'll also pass Margaritaville on your way. Side note, you can grab a day pass at Margaritaville for a fee where you can access their pool and beach, but we kept on heading down West Bay towards Junkanoo. Once you arrive at Junkanoo, there are tons of little tiki huts and small restaurants. You can also walk past Junkanoo Beach to a place called Public Beach. Honestly, this area was a little less crowded, but there were no chairs or umbrella rentals, so make sure to take a towel with you to sit on the sand. A few minutes walk past Junkanoo Beach is the Arawak Cay, which is a street food area with tons of amazing local cuisine. We did walk there from Junkanoo and it took us about 10 minutes. It was a little tricky for us to find on foot, so a taxi might be your best bet to get here. We arrived early in port and most of the restaurants weren't open yet, so we didn't get a chance to try any of the food here yet, but you can bet we sure will next time we visit. Another side note, we were told you have to try Goldie's Conch House, so that'll be first on our list to check out. After hanging out at Junkanoo Beach, we decided to head back to the port to grab some lunch at a pretty little place right on the water called Arawak Cay, Waterfront Bar and Grill. This is located right off the dock near Senior Frogs. If you wanted to stay near the ship and port, this is a perfect place to grab lunch or a drink. And the best part, you can see the turtles from your table. I absolutely adore this. The menu is pretty diverse. It had sandwiches, fish tacos, hamburgers and salads, and of course, conch salad and fried snapper. We both ordered the shrimp tacos and they were so delicious.
Today, how is your shrimp taco?
It's so good. Awesome.
Perfect.
Also, the staff was super friendly. Our waitress even took the time to sit with us for a few minutes and chat with us. Honestly, that made the experience so much better. And the rain finally made its way to us, but we got to set out over the water, we enjoyed a couple of Bahama Mamas, and we just waited until the weather passed. We couldn't have picked a better place to do it. We really enjoyed Nassau on this trip. From the beautiful beaches, friendly locals, and delicious food, we can't wait to come back again. As always, thanks for joining us on another fun adventure. Until next time, friends.